Alright, so for this particular problem, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write the inequality based off of the graph. So I can see that I'm shaded above and it's dashed, so that's going to be greater than. And I have a y-intercept at 4, and my slope is up 1 and right 2. So I'm looking for the equation that matches this. Well, obviously all of my equations are not in that format. So I'm going to have to solve each one until I get the one that is in that format. So if I solve this one, I'm going to subtract 2x. So y is greater than negative 2x plus 1. So A doesn't work. B is x plus 2y is greater than 0. So I'm going to subtract x. So 2x is greater than negative x plus 8. Divide by 2. And y is going to be greater than, so I'm going to simplify. And when I simplify, I'm going to divide my negative 1 and 2 and my 8 and 2. So that's going to give me negative 1/2 x plus 4. Again, that's not going to be the right one because that's a negative 1/2. We want a positive 1/2. All right, so C, I have x minus 2y is less than negative 8. Subtract x. Negative 2y is less than negative 8 minus, or negative x minus 8. And divide by negative 2. Now remember, when you divide by negative, you're going to flip that sign. So this is now going to become greater than, and I'm going to simplify here. So we're going to do negative 1 divided by negative 2 and negative 8 divided by negative 2. So that's going to be positive 1/2 x plus 4, which is exactly what we're looking for. Answer is C. Again, you have to solve for y when your problem is in standard form or is not solved for y, okay? There's no way you can determine the slope and the pieces without solving for y.